Respects the same things that make it difficult to kayak or canoe through a mangrove forest are what slows down the storm surge currents. Lots of drag and resistance and many obstacles that simply slows down the force or the velocity of the water. So you can have a lot of mangroves and still have storm surge, but if you take all those mangroves out, the storm surge not only will go farther inland, but it will also be much more significantly deeper as well. Unfortunately, though, it takes lots and lots of mangroves to make a sizable difference. So you could plant some in your backyard and hope for the best, but we need lots and lots of mangrove fields and lots of true blue mangrove forests to grow and prosper in order for them to have a huge difference in terms of mitigating the storm surge. You can see that, though, with our satellite maps here with First Alert Live Doppler radar. If you're not sure where Ponce de Leon Park is, it's a really cool spot, because even to get through it, you have to drive through the mangroves. But if you look at the maps around Punta Gorda, all this area here is all mangrove forest. So where Ponce de Leon Park is right there, when you walk through the mangroves, you can see the intricate web that they kind of weave, slowing down the resistance of water as they move across the area. So Ponce de Leon Park and what's around this area really helps to protect areas like Punta Gorda Isle. So it's vital that we make sure these mangroves stay protected here across this part of Charlotte County. Another part of our community that really needs to protect its mangroves would be the city of Cape Coral. You know, once you get west of Veterans Parkway into the southwest corner of the city of Cape Coral, all this preserve down here really needs to stay preserved, because this is the kind of stuff that can slow down the inland extent and the depth of storm surge should we have a huge storm surge event moving toward areas like Cape Coral. There's also, of course, plenty of mangroves around the Shell Point area, which can greatly reduce the force of water moving through the Caloosahatchee. So have to do everything we can to make sure we protect our mangroves, because they offer a natural form of storm surge protection. When it comes to the weather today, I'm afraid there's not much rain out there at the moment. Like